Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show how to slash command permission on Discord. It's a very easy and simple process. So let's begin. First of all, just open a Discord app, and then once the app is open, just go to a server which we have created and make sure that you have added bots in your server. If you don't know how to add bots, it's a very easy and simple. Just tap me6 on your Chrome or in Google and then connect it to your Discord server. So okay, after adding your bots on your server, then just tap on the arrow, this one, and then tap on server settings. And once you have opened server settings, and then just tap on integrations, and it will take a little time. Sometimes it take like 1 minute, so it will open. Just don't worry about that. Okay, so right now, as you can see, in the boards and app section, all the boards will be shown over here. So just tap on manage, and as I have opened the me6 board, so as you can see, this me6 provides anime dashboard help, etc. So if I don't want to have anime command in my server, so what I will do is just tap here, and as you can see over here, everyone can use the anime, so the anime poll. So if I don't want that, what I will do is just tap on don't allow or deny, and then just save it. So as you can see over here, it's not it will be not provided, or it will be not available in your server. So if I want to allow it, just tap on allow, and then again tap on save. So this is the process to how to slash command permission on dashboard.